Minsan, isang murang ticket lang ang kailangan. At ayun, bigla ka na lang nasa Hong Kong. 24 hours. Walang malaking plano, walang checklist. Just the freedom to be in a different place.
What's the name of this bread? Yao Qiu. Thank you. Bye. So this is my first meal of the day. Yang Qiu. Hindi ko alam. Yang Qiu. Sa tinapay, walang sugar.
Kahit saglit lang.
Yan, so,
nakipagkita ako sa mga kaibigan. Naglakad sa kung saan-saan. Kumain. Simple lang, pero ramdam mo agad. Ibang mundo, ibang hangin, ibang energy. At doon ko naisip, hindi pala kailangan ng malaking rason. Hindi kailangan ng special na okasyon. Minsan, sapat na yung kagustuhan mong maranasan ang bago. Life doesn't always have to be big or perfect. Sometimes, it just has to be different. And that difference, that little adventure, could be the reminder you need na ang mundo ay mas malawak at ang buhay,
that's the peak!
Mas masarap kapag naranasan mo sa iba't ibang paraan. Kahit 24 hours lang. At kung naghahanap ka ng sign, eto na yun.